Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G200 and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the to the system section. Now just go here to the gestures and right there you'll see the 3-finger screenshot. Tap here and as you can see this option just is turned off, and just to turn it on here tap once on the switcher and now you can take a screen just by touch and hold your screen with your 3 fingers at the same time. And here as can you see we got the, we'll take it one more time. We got here our screenshot. We can tap here on the screen, we can change them, just crop the screen, change the size, we can just something type here or edit how we want. And now we can also share with the screen with someone. Okay, now just tap here to love, we can share with someone, or else we can delete the screen or save it. And then you can find the screen in your photos on your device. Just go there and here tap to library and we got here the screenshots folder. As can you see, now just find your screenshots on this folder. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.